Okay, today we'll be replacing my dropper post cable. Ito. Because I think rust is acting up inside. So we'll be about to be using, here's my replacement cable. And here's the tool that will be used for internally routing the cable. Okay, today I'll be replacing the cable of my dropper post because it's already dirty. I'm already using a rerouting tool, which is you can get from AlliExpress. It's like you can connect the old housing to the new housing. Then you just pull. See? You just pull. Yeah. See that it's already there, and now and the old housing it's already been replaced. So before we cut it, let's just remove this first. Oh, what happened here? Here we go. There's it. Here's the old housing already done. You can still use the length of the old housing. Put that in our pocket. And now that's done. Now it's time to put in the cable.